In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature in Bluebeam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, reusable signature and place it precisely where you need it on any PDF. First, open your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. If you already have Revu running, bring your document to the front so you can see the page where the signature should go. Having the page visible makes placement easier later on. Next, go to the top menu and choose Tools, then Signatures, and select Manage Signatures. This panel is where Bluebeam stores your personal signature so you can use it again without recreating it each time. Think of it as your signature library. Inside Manage Signatures, click Add to create a new signature. Bluebeam will prompt you to choose how you want to build it. You'll see 3 options, and you can pick the one that feels most natural for you. If you choose to draw, use your mouse or stylus to handwrite your name in the box. Take your time and write at a comfortable size. Smoother strokes usually look better on the page. If the result isn't quite right, clear it and try again until it looks the way you want. If you prefer to type, enter your name and select a style that looks like a handwritten signature. This option is quick and keeps the appearance consistent across documents. Adjust the size if the preview looks too large or too small for typical PDFs. If you're importing an image, select a clean signature image from your computer. A high contrast scan or a photo taken in good light works best. A transparent PNG helps it blend naturally over the document without a white box around it. Make sure the image is cropped closely to the signature so it places neatly. When you're happy with how it looks, click OK to save it. Bluebeam will store this signature so you can apply it in just a couple of clicks next time. To place your signature on the document, go back to Tools, choose Signatures, and click Apply Signature. Your cursor will change, and you can click exactly where you want the signature to appear on the PDF. If the placement isn't perfect the first time, undo and try again, or drag it into position until it lines up with the signature line. You can also resize it so it matches the scale of the document. That's it. You've created a reusable signature and applied it to your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Once you've done it once, it's fast and reliable every time you need to sign a document.